The first step for the preparation of fund flow statement is the schedule showing changes in working capital. By preparing the schedule showing changes in working capital, this is one of the preliminary requisites for you to go about with the fund flow analysis, or for you to prepare the fund flow statement in your organization. The very first step that you will have to take is you will have to go about with the preparation of fund flow statement is to prepare the schedule showing changes in working capital. Following this, what you're trying to do is that you're trying to compare what are the changes in the working capital between two balance sheets. So you will be having two balance sheets with you, and remember, it is your fund flow statement would be spanning across two balance sheets, or we are talking about what is happening, the difference between two balance sheets. And here you want to understand between these two balance sheets, what were the changes that were brought about with respect to your working capital. Okay, so we will be trying to understand what has happened with respect to your working capital. So that's the reason why you will be going about with the preparation of schedule showing changes in working capital. Post this, you will be comparing the current assets and current liabilities. So you will have the balance sheet prepared, and in the balance sheet, you will be having the current assets, you will be having the current liabilities, you will be comparing the current assets, current liabilities, trying to understand how much is the working capital. Now, what I have shared here on the screen is the schedule, the format of the schedule showing changes in working capital. And if you would notice, what will happen is in the schedule showing changes in working capital, you will have all the current assets and current liabilities listed out. Okay, so under particulars, you will have all the current assets, you will have all the current liabilities listed out. Then remember, we will be preparing the fund flow statement for two different years. So that will be year one, year two. Then you will try to understand for each of these items, what impact does it have on the working capital? Does it cause an increase in working capital, or will it cause a decrease in working capital? So that is the comparison that you would be hoping to achieve with these two columns. Then for in the schedule showing changes in working capital, you will be estimating the total current asset, you will be estimating the total current liability. The difference between these two will help you to understand how much is the working capital. Okay? The difference between these two will help you to understand how much is the working capital. So this is how we go about with the preparation of the schedule showing changes in working capital in a company.